Imagine you've already built a large workflow with multiple paths, conditions, and actions. Now a new requirement comes in. Maybe an additional condition needs to be introduced, a similar branch needs to be created, or an existing action needs to be reused elsewhere in the workflow. Recreating everything manually can be time-consuming, especially in larger automations. That's where Konnectify's copy-paste feature helps. It allows existing path rules, branches, and nodes to be reused instantly, reducing manual effort and speeding up workflow creation. Let's look at 3 common scenarios: copy a path rule, copy an entire branch, and copy an individual node. Here, a path filter already exists with the condition "within 3 months is true." Now imagine there's another business requirement that needs to handle records where "within 3 months" is false. Rather than recreating the same condition from scratch, a new path can be created first. From the existing path filter, open the 3-dot menu and select Copy Path Rule. Then, on the newly created path filter, open the menu and choose Paste and Replace. The entire condition is copied over instantly. At this point, only a small change is required. Simply update the operator from "is true" to "is false." Next, let's look at copying an entire branch. In many workflows, a complete branch may need to be reused with only minor modifications. Instead of recreating every node and configuration individually, the entire branch can be copied in one step. Open the menu on the path filter at the start of the branch and select Copy Entire Branch. Then navigate to the target branch and choose Paste and Replace. The complete branch structure is duplicated, including all nodes and their configurations. Only the branch-specific logic needs to be adjusted, making it much faster to implement similar workflow paths. Finally, let's see how to copy a single node. Suppose an action has already been configured with all the required field mappings and needs to be reused elsewhere in the workflow. Open the 3-dot menu on the node and select Copy. Next, navigate to the location where the node should be added, open the menu on the previous node, and select Paste below. The node is inserted along with its existing configuration and field mappings. And that's how Konnectify's copy-paste feature can be used to quickly reuse path rules, entire branches, and individual nodes.